At Kramer School of Nursing, we have a BSN to DNP program, and that's for registered nurses who want to become nurse practitioners. And we have a family nurse practitioner track as well as an adult gerontology acute care nurse practitioner track. Nurses that want to become nurse practitioners should come to Kramer School of Nursing, our advanced practice program. We've had great success with our graduates. Our pass rate in 2019 was 100%. Our job placement rates at 1 year after graduation have been 100%. Our faculty are second to none. They've all been practicing nurse practitioners who really are here because they want to educate future nurse practitioners.
I travel throughout the state connecting our nurse practitioner students with qualified preceptors. And that's been one of the favorite parts of what I do, is going to visit students that still think of Kramer as their community, and they love working with our students. They know what they're getting. They know they're going to get a qualified nurse practitioner student. They know they're going to be responsible and show up on time and be professional. That's all a huge part of what we're working with students here.